Let's take a look at this example. The very first thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this problem in order to make you see the difference between the constant and variable. So if y is equal 1/5 x to the 5th power minus 1/7 x to the 7. Okay, so now I can see very clear that I have constant and variable, constant and variable. Next, I'm going to use the formula for the derivative of a sum, even if you see the difference over here. So I have dy over dx is equal the derivative, okay, of this function respect to x. So I have 1/5 x to the 5th minus 1/7 x to 7, right? So this is equal the derivative respect to x of 1/5 x to the 5th minus the derivative 1/7 x to 7. Okay, so this is equal, constant comes down, so I have 1/5 times the exponent 5, and I have x 5 minus 1 minus my constant 1/7 times the exponent x, and I have 7 minus 1. So this is equal, 5 and 5 will cancel out, and I have x to the 4th power, 7 and 7 will cancel out, minus x to the 6th. This is the solution to my problem.